Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Portsmouth Primary from St. Catherine up against Avondale Prep from Kingston. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Now earlier we had the toss and Portsmouth Primary won and decided to send Avondale Prep first. So we'll begin with Avondale. Now in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge for Avondale. What is the third book in the Bible?
Exodus.
Incorrect. Leviticus. Portsmouth. Bible knowledge. What is the 40th book in the Bible?
Psalms of Solomon.
Incorrect. Matthew. Avondale. Science. What is the name of the white part of the human eye?
Sclera.
Correct. Portsmouth. Science. What is the name of the outer part of the human ear? No need for the buzzer. Go ahead.
Oracle.
Correct. Avondale. International Affairs. Who is the U.S. president immediately before Joe Biden?
Donald Trump.
Correct. Portsmouth. International Affairs. Who is the only African American to be elected as U.S. president?
Barack Obama.
Correct. Avondale. Spell punctual.
Punctual.
Correct. Portsmouth. English language. Spell invisible.
Invisible.
Correct. Avondale. Television. Who is the host of the news and current affairs program All Angles on TVJ?
Deion Jackson Miller.
Correct. Portsmouth. Television. Who is the host of the program Profile on TVJ?
Delroy Chuck.
Incorrect. Archibald Gordon. Avondale. General knowledge. On which continent is Ethiopia located?
Africa.
Correct. Portsmouth. General knowledge. On which continent is India located?
Asia.
Correct. Avondale. Social studies. What are the world's largest unbroken landmasses called?
Just say dirt.
Incorrect. Continents. Portsmouth. Social studies. What is the name for a landmass which is not connected to another landmass and is completely surrounded by water?
Island.
Correct. Avondale. Music. Which Jamaican singer was born Orville Burrell?
Beanie Man.
Incorrect. Shaggy. Portsmouth. Music. Which Jamaican singer was born Moses Davis?
Bounty Killer.
Incorrect. Beanie Man. Avondale. Mathematics. What is 4,519 rounded to the nearest hundred?
4,600.
Incorrect. 4,500 is the answer we're looking for. Portsmouth. Mathematics. What is 4,770 rounded to the nearest thousand?
5,000.
Correct. Avondale. Sports. In which sport was the late American Kobe Bryant an all-star player?
Basketball.
Correct. Portsmouth. Sports. In which sport was the late American Muhammad Ali a champion?
Boxing.
Correct. Avondale. Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Education and Youth?
Faber Williams.
Correct. Portsmouth. Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Health?
Horace Chang.
Incorrect. Dr. Christopher Tufton. Sports. Avondale. In athletics, which Jamaican has run the men's 100 meters in under 10 seconds the most times?
Usain Bolt.
Incorrect. Asafa Powell. Portsmouth. Sports. In athletics, which Jamaican won the women's 100 meters gold at the 2016 and 2021 Olympics?
Shirley and Fraser.
Incorrect. Elaine Thompson Hira. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Portsmouth Primary on 7 and Avondale Prep also on 7. So it's a tie. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.